full of colors and excitement. Each year fall and fall in love. Every pretty girl is falling in love. That with full dedication. The dedication you have never shown to study. Concentrate for those masters and yes. The story that I am going to narrate, most of you may be able to connect. Because the whole story. After passing the school, there was a lot of expectations behind it. So Mr. Park, what was the expectation?
To have at least 10 girlfriends.
See the future of India. And what was your expectation? See, students people. But my friends were not like that. They had imaginary college built in their mind after watching a lot of Bollywood movies. The first day we entered our college, my friend was, dude, where are all the pretty girls that used to dance around? We started searching them. College mein, canteen mein. But we were never able to find them. What was the best part? We ended up in a class full of studious girls. That was big fact. Life takes you anywhere. But some boys, they keep on searching and searching and searching until they get restricted from the college. You could find these boys in front of the college library, standing outside the college gate, and they would be, dude, this is your pressure bag. Yes, man, it's really pressure. And they will be passing comments. Dude, check out the girl, yeah. Yes, yeah, she has got the figure that could embarrass the parents. But all are not like that. See a nice guy standing in front of you, single, ready to mingle. There are second category of boys. They fall in true love. But the love is from one side. They will want to approach a girl, but they are never able to approach. You could find them doing combined studies in different parts of the library. They will be coming 1 hour before to do the study. And in this part, actually gain something from college. They would be studying something to teach the girl. But what was the third part? They have to face a lot of villains in their story. Villains, their own seniors, from whom they have learned how to pass the exam after bunking all the classes, how to approach your juniors, how to flirt with the teachers. But when they approach, they have their seniors already teaching them what to study for the exam. They will be giving handwritten notes to them. They will be studying. They will approach the girl. They will be solving their doubts. Pinky, I will solve that doubt. Sir, I already know the answer. Pinky, I will tell a better method. And you will be like, hey, what's happening, man? On that day, you will realize you are not the only person doing combined studies before. There will be a bunch of boys with the same expression. Dude, what's happening? So you have to compete with all. What's the worst part? You have to compete with your own professor. The yo-yo professor. The professor that carries their hand. The professor who are always young. They start flirting the time a girl approaches them. So, what is photoing? Pinky, electricity that passes in my mind after seeing a photo. Everything effect. But boys don't think this pretty girl sitting in between us are innocent. They too have their judging their popularity with the number of proposals they get each year. Whenever a girl gets a proposal, she will not be saying yes. She will be telling, I have to think. And they are more excited about the proposal rather than the guy itself. Hey, Pinky, I got a proposal. We are reading from whom? The guy is the same. Okay, what did you say? I said, I need to discuss with my current boyfriend. So that keeps on going. But there are a third category of boys. They fall in true love. And from both sides. But they have many difficulties they have to face. First, telling each other. The guy has proposed the girl after a lot of push-ups from his friends to finally approach the girl. Your friends would be, dude, girl, man, go and propose the man. Yeah, I am a man. Dude, if you are not going to propose her, I will propose her. Dude, she is my crush. I have been waiting to go and propose her. Finally, with a lot of go and propose the girl, and finally she agreed. But the second part, telling to each other's parents. So one guy came and asked me, dude, I need to talk to girl's parents. Could you come? In college, you're always 100% sure of doing anything. So I said, dude, don't fear, I'm here. So we went to the girl's parents, we rang the bell in town, and auntie opened the door. Very tough, very difficult yesterday. I said, dude, personality, see, she was expecting me one day before. She said, Beta, who clean the garbage? The girl came running and said somehow, so it was the time to tell the boy's parents. So he said, girls are pretty smart, let the girls do that job. She directly went and fell onto the street. Mommy, Papa, accept me. I was not ready to listen to anything until she said, you are our girl. So finally they got married. After marriage, there is a completely different story of struggle. But the moral of the story is that you may like someone, you may fall for many, but when you find the right person, don't let that person. Thank you. That's the better story.